Why do we cross things out on our to-do list instead of deleting them? We want to see everything that we have accomplished and turn our to-do list into a routine.
What is a routine?
Here is an example of a routine. We have a specific method for cleaning the bedroom. Each time we clean, we follow the same approach as the first time. This is an example of maintaining a routine. The first video emphasized the importance of breaking down each task. Instead of simply saying clean the bedroom, we can specify actions like vacuum the carpet or make the bed. Now that we have identified all the necessary tasks for cleaning the room, we need to determine the order in which to complete them. This sequence is known as a routine, and we follow the same order each time we clean the bedroom.
We started by creating a comprehensive to-do list that included all the necessary tasks for the bedroom. Here's a helpful tip: if you come across a task that isn't on your list, try not to tackle it right away. Instead, write it down at the bottom of your to-do list. Focus on completing the other tasks first, and then you can address the new tasks you've added. Completing the other tasks first will give you a sense of accomplishment. Be sure to watch our next video on sorting.